Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic which is important for all competitive examinations, that is demonetization. In this video we are going to know about what is demonetization, advantages and disadvantages of demonetization, aims of the demonetization and impact of the demonetization on Indian economy. Before going to know about these all topics, please do subscribe the channel if you didn't subscribe the channel for more videos and activate the bell icon to get notifications of our recent uploads. Let's commence. Before going to the video, we have to know what is demonetization. Demonetization means ban of 1000 and 500 rupee notes in Indian economy. That is, these 500 rupee notes and 1000 rupee notes which are under circulation are loses their face value. That means they are nothing but a piece of paper which is used to pack food items, etc. The Narendra Modi government on November 8, 2016 announces ban of 500 and 1000 rupee notes. That means they are nothing but useless paper. The Narendra Modi government announces demonetization with three main aims. They are: the first aim is to curb black money and corruption by preventing the hoarding cash. And the second aim is prevent counterfeiting of currency notes, that is fake currency notes. And the third one and most important one is fight against terrorism by cutting off cash funding of terrorist groups operating in India. With any program we have certain advantages and disadvantages. Now we are going to discuss about the advantages of demonetization. The first advantage is increase in savings. Whenever the 500 rupees and 1000 rupee notes were banned, the people must go to banks to exchange the banned 500 rupee notes and 1000 rupee notes to get new currency notes of 2000, 500 and 200 rupee notes. As a result, the savings of the people in the banks are increases. This is the first advantage. The second advantage is lower lending rates. Whenever people are depositing their money in the banks, as a result, the amount of money in the banks is increases. Then the money in the economy or the supply of money in the economy is also increases. Whenever the supply of money in the economy increases, the demand for the money is decreases. So, as a result, the lending rates of the money also increases. This leads to lower lending rates. This is the second advantage. The third advantage is better economy. Due to demonetization, the savings in the bank account are increases. As a result, the supply of money in the economy is also increases. So, whenever the supply of money in the economy increases, the amount of taxes that were collected by the government is also increases. This is the third advantage. The fourth advantage is to reduce fake currency notes. Before depositing the money, the banks were check the notes that were deposited by the people whether they are original or duplicate. So that's why there is a chance for reduction of fake currency notes in the economy. Now we are going to discuss about the disadvantages of demonetization. And the biggest disadvantage of the demonetization is chaos and frenzy. That means people don't know what to do and how to get the new currency notes. And there are huge lines in front of ATMs and banks to replace the old currency notes and to get the new currency notes that were published by the government recently. And the original sufferers or the real sufferers of demonetization are the poor people. For destruction of old currency notes and to print new currency notes, some money has to be spent, and the government spent all the money. Whereas the cost of destruction of old currency notes and printing new notes is more than the benefits that were come. This is the second disadvantage. The third disadvantage is the main aim of the government to implement demonetization is to curb black money from the black money holders.
But whereas the black money holders kept their money in the real estates and by buying gold safely, and they are not affected by the demonetization. This is the third disadvantage of the demonetization. Watching this video, you get a doubt that is there any incidents such as demonetization are already happened in Indian history? The answer is yes. For the first time in the Indian history, in 1946, RBI demonetized 1000 rupees and 10,000 rupee notes which were under circulation at the time in the account. In 1954, the government introduces 1000 rupees and 5000 rupee notes and 10,000 rupee notes. And finally, in 1978, Morarji Desai government demonetized 1000 rupees, 5000 rupees and 10,000 rupees to curb corruption and anti-social activities that were happened in India at that time. Okay friends, this is the video. Like the video, share the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.